Are you an app creator tired of the complicated app development process? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore a simpler solution to create your own app within minutes. Ever thought, yes, I have the same problem? You're not alone. By the end of this video, I promise you'll learn how to develop apps effortlessly. Let's get started. Search for Imagica AI in your browser. Click on the first link, Imagica AI. Let's take you to the Imagica homepage. Now, you need to sign up to choose any of these two options. Since I have already signed up, I will log in directly. Once you are logged in, it will take you to this page. Now, you can see various templates for creating apps like business, education, travel, cooking and food, etc. If you want to use these templates, feel free to do so. However, in this video, we will show you how to create your own app manually in just minutes. Okay, now let's go and create an app. Click on Create New Project. You will see many options there, and we need to make an app within 5 minutes. So choose Auto Imagica. Now, describe your app. It will create the entire app. Here, you can find examples of how to enter the prompt. If you're unsure about entering the prompt, don't worry. We have an amazing tool called Free Chat GPT. You can ask for help to generate the prompt. Now, I want to create a fitness app. So, just enter the prompt here. Once you fill in the prompt in the text box, click on the Enter icon. It will start creating the app. Amazing, right? The app will be created. If you want to install the app on your mobile, first, you need to publish it. Click on Publish here. Once the app is published, you will see the option Copy Link. Click on Copy Link. The final step is to convert this app into an APK file. Open a new tab and search for Web into App in your browser. Click Login here. Click Maker here. Now, paste the link here, give it an app name, and enter a brand name. Click Next. In this free option, we can only make apps for Android devices. If you want to use your app on an iOS device, it will cost you. Okay, now I am selecting Android. Click on Make App. The app is now being built online. Turn off this option here and click OK. You will now see a download option. Click on the download icon. Click on Download Free. Yes, your app has been downloaded successfully. Go and open the extracted file. Open the Android folder and copy the APK app. Paste it on your mobile. Once the app is installed, you can easily use it. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.